Sustainable Project RJI. In a broader sense, in addition to the guidelines from the UN on the environment, we have in Brazil a very interesting article regarding environmental protection, among other laws dealing with penalties. Article 225 of the Federal Constitution defines that everyone has the right to an ecologically balanced environment, a common good of the people and essential to a healthy quality of life, imposing on the government and the community the duty to defend and preserve it for present and future generations. In the Federal Constitution, Article 23, the heading of the article lists 12 items covering diverse areas such as constitutional preservation, environmental protection, food supply organization, and traffic education. Therefore, this definition appears in various laws of Brazilian legislation. For example, in Law 6.938/1981, Article 3, for the purposes of this law, the following definitions apply. I. Environment, the set of conditions, laws, influences, and interactions of a physical, chemical, and biological nature which allow, shelter, and govern life in all its forms, followed by paragraphs and complementary items. 2. Environmental degradation, the adverse alteration of the characteristics of the environment. 3. Pollution, the degradation of environmental quality resulting from activities that directly or indirectly A. harm the health, safety, and well-being of the population. Up to this point, this is just an introduction to the legal aspect. What we will address in this project presentation is to emphasize our social and environmental responsibility and how to act responsibly. In fact, we need to seek mechanisms of awareness, discipline, and engagement aimed at controlling waste, avoiding water waste, which, combined with environmental education, help us understand the demands and many other problems involving humans and nature. According to the purposes of our actions, we will certainly be contributing to sustainability.